Last month, we reported on a 16-year-old boy who was shot in his community in Newhall, Manchester, who was slowly recovering. In this week's edition of A Ray of Hope, we have another update on his progress.
The anniversary of Nesean Blair's shooting incident is inching closer. On March 30, 2020, he lost the use of his hands and legs after being shot in the back. He now moves about in a wheelchair. And so when school resumed for face-to-face classes at Mayday High School, he was there.
I feel great because I'm not the home, sit down by myself. I worry and I wonder, I can't stay here around joke with them also, it's a great feeling.
The principal says the school will be making further infrastructural changes given his condition.
For example, to cater to the wheelchair, it's not a school that had students like this before, so we are planning to build some additional ramps, and whatever the students will take him around to his classes, and we'll do everything to facilitate him. We're excited to have him in school.
Since Kadeen Wilson Blair's appeal for public assistance, help has been pouring in and it continues. Nesean is still in need of further treatment because a bullet is still lodged in his neck. Philanthropist Orlington Myers has stepped in. He's managed to secure an appointment for the teen at a Miami-based hospital. And once the hospital receives all the relevant information,
they will create a file for him, and there will be an acceptance letter sent to the American Embassy where they will CC a copy to me. I will take Ms. Wilson and Nesean to the embassy in Kingston as soon as a medical emergency appointment is arranged.
Mr. Myers has also promised to donate airfare for both Nesean and his mother, as well as accommodation in the United States. Mrs. Blair and Nesean expressed their gratitude and optimism about his recovery.
Just want to say thanks for him reaching out to me to see if we can get back on my foot, but by God's will and by faith and by hope of God, it will work out.
And also I want to thank each and everyone that is out there that is assisting us so far. I want to say a big thank you very much for reaching out to the Blair family.